I'm like, oh, so he actually listens to his teacher. He learned something from school.
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone. Alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna...
Ayan, hello guys, ito na ako sa bahay. Nakapagluto na ako ng lunch ng kids. So, itag ko lang itong ano ni ate. Broccoli. Ayan, nagluto ako ng fried rice na may egg at saka bacon. Tapos broccoli. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng banana. Banana and apple juice. So, lunch lang to. May snack na siyang baon sa school kanina. And nakatabi na rin yung food ni Aiden. And it's time for me to get in the shower na. Time check, it's 9:12. Na prepare ko na rin yung i-lunch ni Aiden. I'll just get in the shower quickly bago tayo magsunduan. Ano ang isusuot natin for school? Hindi ko pa to guys fully naaayos. Medyo makalat-kalat pa siya. But so far, ayan siya. Galing talaga ni mother magplansya. Alam niyo guys, pumunta dito si mama kahapon para tulungan ako magplansya. Ang bongga mo dyan, mother. So, ayan. I have this. Maganda kaya tayo. Tsaka yung pants ko na linen din na white. Pang sundo lang naman. Pang sundo and pang hatid kay Aiden sa ABA. Or, pwede tayong pang bahay. Maganda na lang kaya ako. Paborito ko to guys. Paborito ko siyang suotin kasi sobrang komportable niyang suotin. Diba? Kaya gusto ko lang naka-black t-shirt, tapos naka-pantalon. Kung pwede nga lang everyday gano'n, magaganon ako. Kasi parang hindi ka nag-iisip ng susuotin mo pa. Tingin muna tayo ng t-shirt. Mag-ano na lang tayo. Tadan, yellow shirt siguro. Black shirt. Mapunta pa rin tayo sa black shirt. Mag-wait tayo. White shirt. Mapunta pa rin sa black shirt. White shirt na lang tayo. Tsaka yung... Hello. Parang late tayo ng sundo kay Aiden. Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. But malapit lang naman tayo sa school. So, let's go. Although si Aiden naman, mami, napag-usapan namin ng mga ate doon, teachers, parang ang usapan eh. And so, I have to pick him up a little late. Like, parang siguro mga 10 minutes, 15 minutes, ganyan. Para lang may time siya to go to the library. Hindi ko lang dala yung books na hiniram niya last week. So, hopefully, hindi siya magpilit na manghiram ng book. Kasi hindi siya papayagan. At hindi pa niya nare-return yung books niya. So, let's see. Tayo 3 minutes late. And dismissal nila was 3 minutes ago. Look who's here, guys! Say hi, Aiden! Say hi! Hey, mommy daw. So, we're going home for Aiden to eat lunch.
Aiden eat tomato.
Yeah, tomato, egg, rice, and bacon. Is that what you want? Yes. Ayan. Nakalimutan kong bilhan si Lily ay magdala ng cutleries for Lily. So, bili na lang tayo na plastic na cutleries. Sana meron sa canteen. Kasi naman, habang nag-aantay kami ng mga ano lang naman, 30 minutes and then alis na rin kami para drop off si Aiden sa kanyang ABA. So, nakain na siya, ganyan. Gasan ko lang to. Then, gora na rin tayo ulit. Medyo may conflict lang ako sa schedule na today. Kasi, yung tapos ni Aiden sa ABA is 2 o'clock. So, yun yung ano niya, yun yung pick up. And yung pick up, yung dismissal din ni Lily, 2 o'clock din. So, kailangan kong sunduin muna si Aiden. Kasi may ano pa yan eh. Meron pa kaming feedback, diba? Tapos si ate, after that na lang. Luckily, she likes naman being picked up ng medyo late ng konti. Yung sa school kasi nalalili, pa iba-iba ng oras ng pick up. Depende sa araw, depende sa cycle nila. Meron silang pag day 1 to 3, parang almost 3 ang pick up. Pag 4 to 6 naman, ang pick up naman nila is 2 o'clock, gaya today. Tapos Wednesdays, may araw na online, may araw na walang pasok, ganyan. So this Wednesday, wala silang pasok. All including Aiden, din meron din si Aiden. So medyo nakakalito pa. Lalo na nung grade 1. Diyos ko, yung unang linggo na, ano namin dyan, hindi ko maintindihan yung day 1 to 6. Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Tapos biglang maghahatid kami ng Wednesday, tapos wala palang pasok. Hindi ko gets. Nung grade 1 si Vicky, my God. Buti ngayon kahit paano. Medyo, ano na siya, kabisado ko na ng konti. Bata ayaw magbihis, so hayaan ko na lang muna siya magsuot ng kanyang uniform. Ayaw magbihis kanina. Anyway, dito na tayo sa ABA. Schedule niya ng Mondays. ABA after class. 2 hours after na class. So, nakakakain na siya. Ayun. Pero nantok na ito eh. Laban lang. Lumalaban lang. Time check, it's 12:38. Dito ako sa bahay ulit. Natid ko lang sa Aiden. Dapat mag-stay ako doon. Antayin ko siya hanggang matapos. 2 hours yun eh. Kaya inaantok ako. Parang feeling ko makakatulog ako sa sasakyan. Ay, hindi rin ako kampante kasi yung location niya is, nung pinagpa-parking ako. Sakayan siya ng jeep. Tapos iba-ibang tao yung dumadaan. Tapos hindi naman tinted yung sasakyan. Parang naiilang ako. Nakaraan kasi nakatulog ako sa sasakyan. Habang nag-aantay ako sa therapy ni Aiden. Pero kasi naka-video call kami ng daddy nila. Sabi niya, sige matulog ka lang, babantayan kita, sabi niya pa. Parang naka 30 minutes na nap din ako nung time na yun. Pero ngayon parang feeling ko, hindi ko bumagsak yung mata ko. Pero hindi ko alam kung talaga makakapagpahinga ako. So at least ito sa bahay, nakakain pa ako. On our way to pick up Ate Lily niya. And sa feedback ng kanyang teacher, which is yun din napapansin ko sa kanya, madali siya ma-distract, may escape siya kapag hindi siya interesado sa topic o sa ginagawa niya. Yung focus niya madaling mag-shift. So, that's something that they will have, or we will all have to work on. I don't know how. We'll have to work on that. And that his behavior also needs to parang be addressed. Come on, you wanna come with me? Good morning. Excuse yung ating haggardness. Sobrang na-stress ako this morning. My God, kinulang ako sa oras. It's now parang 10:03. Like yesterday, ganitong oras ako umalis sa bahay. Kasi nagluto pa ako. My gosh. I don't know what I'm doing. Why? Excuse the look. Nagwash lang ako ng katawan since I've been in the gym this morning. After ko mag-gym, hindi ako agad naligo kasi nga nagluto ako ng food. So I made pasta and then bacon sandwich para kay ate. Sunduan time with Aiden. I can't be late on this one. Kasi sigurado ako medyo wala yun sa mood ngayon. Because he woke up this morning looking for a book na nakita niya kagabi. Meron ako tinatago kasing book. Dahil kailangan na niya ulit mag-wear ng patch. Para mapasuot ko siya ng patch. Marunong na kasi siya manlaban ngayon. Marunong na siya ng reasoning, marunong na siyang humindi. So, yung pagsuot ng patch, hindi siya komportable, and I understand why. Kasi, you know what we realized? Para na siyang halos hindi na siya makakita with his right eye. So, yung right eye niya, yun yung bad eye niya. And ang taas ng grado ng 700 na. Yung left eye niya, malinaw yung mata. Yung right niya, sobrang labo. So, kung ang tendency, ginagamit niya lang yung left. So, kahit nakatingin siyang ganun, malinaw yung left. So, ito, hindi siya nakapractice magamit. So, ngayon, parang hindi niya na alam kung paano kontrolin yung right eye niya. Kahit na siya ay nanonood. So, yung right eye niya, hindi niya na alam kung paano gamitin. Hindi niya na alam kung paano kontrolin, kumbaga. So, kahit na mataas yung grado ng glasses na ginagamit niya sa right eye, ganun pa din, malabo pa din. So yun yung kailangan nating agapan. Medyo late na para agapan. Kasi before, diba, we've been trying to put a patch. Kaya lang, hindi talaga kami nagiging consistent dyan. Ang ginagawa niya, pinipil niya yung sa taas. Tapos, pag di ka nakatingin, doon siya tumitingin. Ginagamit niya pa rin yung left eye niya. So, madaya siya. So, we had to stop. Kasi, parang pointless lang, masasayang lang yung patch. And, ang hirap maghanap ng patch dito sa Pilipinas. I don't know why. Pero, ang hirap talaga maghanap ng patch, mga kami. So, kahit sa Shopee, meron yung nilalagay sa salamin. Yung hindi siya dinidikit sa salamin. Pag ganun kasi, gumaganon pa rin siya. So, walang, alam mo yun, parang wala rin. So, we had to stop. Pero, since nagpunta kami sa Opta recently, talagang sabi, kailangan talaga natin pilitin gawa ng paraan. So, luckily, with Aiden, medyo napapagalitan ko na siya ngayon. Before kasi nung maliit pa siya, hindi ko siya mapagalitan eh. So, ngayon meron na akong, ay naku, gusto mo maging angry si mami talaga. Ganon. And I can't explain ko sa kanya why he should use his right eye. Hindi niya pa naiintindihan. Parang sa kanya, sinusuot niya lang yung patch dahil gusto lang ni mami para lang hindi maging angry si mami. You know, but we have to do something. So, anyway, ang haba ng explanation ko as usual. So, bumili ako ng books or activities, mga stickers, ang dami kong binili sa bahay ngayon, na nakatago lang. And then every day, naglalabas ako pa isa-isa, padala-dalawa, ganyan. Para, pagsusuot siya ng patch, sabi ko, bibigyan kita ng sticker, bibigyan kita ng book, kapag sinuot mo yung patch mo. So, naka 2 days na kami, and then last night, nakita niya yung 2 book sa bag kung saan ko tinatago yun. And gusto niya talagang laruin. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya kagabi, hindi, this is for tomorrow pag nag-patch ka na. So I woke up this morning looking for it. Sabi ko, hindi po pwedeng gamitin. Nakita niya, pero hindi po pwedeng gamitin. So super upset siya. So this morning, medyo wala yan siya sa mood. And nararamdaman ko na wala siya sa mood ngayon. Baka mapag-initan niya ng ulo yung mga teacher niya, sila Kuya Guard. So, ayan, sunduan time na. Late tayo dumating, pero as in, kakaalis pa lang ng mga ibang parents. So, we will park here. Wait lang guys, ha? Ayun na siya, nakasilip. Kawawa naman. Aiden is here! Sabi ng teacher niya. Oh, yan na pala si mami. Naku, upset na siya. Sabi ko na eh. Konti lang naman yung late natin. Pero nakakahiya talaga. Nag-antay sila teacher tsaka si ate. Or, sorry po. Nakakaloka. Sorry, Aiden. Ayan, wala silang school tomorrow. Yeah? What is it?
Next one, Ada will read Get Up. And the last one, Ada will read
I will read. You have to say I, not Aiden.
I will read a meal. After
Have a meal. I will have a meal, yeah?
and last one, Get Up.
And last one is Get Up. Wow.
Bye, Kuya!
Bye, Kuya. Thank you po. How was school, love? You were sad because mommy wasn't there right away. Sorry. I'll try to be be faster tomorrow. Ay, hindi pala. Wala palang school tomorrow. On Thursday. Naku, hindi ako makakapag-gym bukas. Wala silang pasok. Where are we going now?
Get an animal patch.
We'll go home and wear a patch. Tignan niyo. Sino niya mag-patch? I will. You will put an animal patch on me. Yes. Are you excited, mahal? So I'm excited. Yes. I'm excited to go home too, baby. We need a better time management. Animal patch. Kiss mama muna. So much naman. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
All done na. All done na. Too much. Too much. Come here. Patch time. Ito yun, guys. Patch namin. Yung mga noon pa to eh. Yung iba nga hindi na gumagana. I mean, hindi na madikit.
Animal patch.
Opo.
Animal patch. Hey?
It's okay.
The gecko patch?
Yeah. Kala mo naman talaga. Interesado siya magsusuot siya ng patch. Close your eyes lang. Close lang. Close. Okay. Good boy. And then this one. And then this one, love. Dinadalawa ko yung patch kasi nga tinatanggal niya. Pag ganito, hindi siya nakakagawa ng paraan. Close lang. Ayan. O, diba? Bongga. Oh! Oh, come here! Your glasses pa! Yan yun, hindi nakakakita. Sobrang labo ng mata niyan. Where's mama?
There.
Okay. You have to tell mommy what number is this?
10.
This one.
5.
This.
2.
20.
25.
Read it.
The lessons and tantos of the school.
May masabi lang eh.
Hi, Mommy. I just gonna get up and have a meal. I'll be back.
Okay. I'll just get my book.
I'll just get my book. I'll be back.
Okay, baby. Careful. Do you want to take off your socks first so you won't slip? Okay, love. Go. I love you.
I'll be back.
Okay, love. Be quick. I miss you.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
I love you. You're welcome, baby. So today, medyo nag-uusap kami ng daddy nila kasi sabi ko medyo nahihirapan ako with Aiden. I know he's only in pre-K, pero kasi itong pre-K niya, preparation namin para sa pag nag-grade 1 na siya. Although may kinder pa naman, parang pinapractice namin siya with, you know, with how parang tayo dito sa Pilipinas academically. I know they play, pero, you know, they still practice yung, kumbaga parang school preparedness ng pre-K kasi. Aiden, come here! Tapos, during to common, sabi ng teacher niya, hindi tinapos na Aiden yung ginagawa niya. Alam daw ng teacher niya na alam ni Aiden yung task at alam niya kung ano yung mga sagot. But parang madali lang siya ma-distract at saka ma-bored. So sabi ko sa daddy nila, kinakabahan ako na sabi ko baka mamaya mahirapan kami pagdating sa academic sa kanya. Since ang problem nga is yung mga tabletop works. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung kakayanin niya yung regular school sa grade school ba, elementary. Sabi ng daddy niya. Sabi niya, no, he just gotta try. He has 2 years, sabi niya. Sabi ko kasi medyo nasa-stress ako sa feedback ng common. Anyway, sabi niya, ano ba sabi sa kanya sa school? Sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung nakikinig ba siya, kung naiintindihan niya ba yung tinuturo sa pre-K. Hindi ko alam kasi nga hindi naman totally nag-feed. Pag nagtatanong naman ako sa teacher niya, sabi niya, he did well, sabi ng teacher niya. So, I just found out today na yung lesson nila is that God created the world in 7 days. So, Genesis 1, verse 1 to 7. So, tinanong ko siya and see if he knows. So, before that, I asked Lily, right? Lily, come here. Let's see if Aiden listens in school. The first day, God made light and darkness. Second day, he made
sky,
third day,
land and plants.
Fourth day, he made
Sun and moon and stars.
sun, moon, and stars. Fifth day, he made
Birds and fish.
the birds and fish. And the sixth day,
Peoples and animals.
peoples and animals. Seventh day,
God made a rest.
God took a rest. Good job!
Oh.
You wanna see? Come on. So, yun yung mga sagot niya kanina. And then, I wasn't sure because I don't really memorize that verse, the Genesis. Or I don't remember anymore how he made the world in 7 days. But I know that God rested on the 7th day. You thought he made Adam and Eve on the 7th day, right? But 7th day, God rested. Look, the first day, he made light and darkness. Aiden said that. Second day, sky and water. Then third day, land and plants. Fourth day, sun, moon, and stars. Right? He said that. Fifth day, he said fish, birds and fish. I'm like, are you sure? It doesn't sound right, but he said it is right. Birds and fish. And then sixth day, he said people and animals, but it's animals and people. And then seventh day, God rested. So when he said that, I was shocked. Because I'm like, oh, so he actually listens to his teacher. He learned something from school. I was worried that maybe he's not listening in school since in his common he's not finishing his task, right? But he actually listens. He learns. Si Aiden madaling matuto. Ang problema lang natin with him is that he does not like tabletop tasks. So things that he has to do with writing, drawing, coloring, with pencil and crayons, he doesn't like that. He learns and just put it here, but he doesn't like to write it down. But it's good to, it's a progress. It's good to know that he listens, right? It's good to know that he's learning. So anyway, meron siya ditong task na gagawin. This is his A. So this is his asynchronous task tomorrow. What's your asynchronous task tomorrow? Your assignments from Daily Reminder. Yeah. Good job. What did God made in the first day? Light and darkness. Second day.
This is light.
Yeah.
Did you turn on the light?
Okay, turn on the light. Ito daw yung light.
It's sky.
Tignan nyo guys kung anong ginagawa niya. Walang nakalagay dito.
Bird.
On the 5th day, the fish and the bird. And then on the 6th day, tignan nyo.
People.
He made people and animals. That's on the 6th day. And the 7th day, God what?
Rest.
Rest! Yeah! Good job! Galing ni Aiden, aminin natin. Ang galing niya dun sa part na yun. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya nakabisado, but kabisado niya, nakakatuwa naman. Kanina pa naman, may nag-worry ako kasi after nung common niya, yung feedback ng teacher, medyo parang disappointed siya sa nangyari. But, what can we do? Ano naman yun? Practice naman, ang purpose naman ng common nila is para makapag-practice sila. Diba? Hindi naman yan siya graded. It's more of parang practice para makatulong sa kanila sa school. Pero sabi ko kay Phil, medyo nag-worry ako sa kanya. Kasi, of course, yung school system natin talaga, more on focus sa academic, tapos tabletop, work, halos lahat, diba? Although, pre-K pa lang sila, so more on play, may halong mas malaking part yung play, singing, coloring, mga ganyan. Konti pa lang yung tabletop, pero ayun nga, medyo nag-worry ako, parang, you know. And yes, and to hear him talk about yung lesson nila for today, sabi ko, ay, nakikinig pala siya sa teacher niya. Nakikinig naman siya. Ano lang, talagang, we have to work on his focus para hindi siya ma-distract sa mga tabletop activities. So basically, he's learning, but in his own pace and his own ways, kumbaga. Anyway, just gonna wash the dishes. What are we having for dinner? Do you guys want mac and cheese for dinner?
Yes, please.
Okay. Gusto ko matulog ng maaga. Wala silang school tomorrow. Activities lang sa bahay. So, that means wala tayong break. We can't go to the gym tomorrow. So, wala silang kasama dito sa bahay. And we have to help them study tomorrow. So, yun yung ganap natin. Anyway. Chores. Hindi ko na pala na-vlog kanina yung dinner na ginawa ko. Gumawa akong pasta. Fusilli na pasta. Tapos, ang ginamit ko yung marinara sauce. And then cheese. Sa mozzarella. And then, ginawan ko sila ng bacon sandwich. Si Aiden, yung pasta lang talaga. In fairness, naubos na din yung ano niya. Pasta niya. Kala ko hindi niya magugustuhan kasi tomato based. Hindi ko makain ng kamatis yan eh. Might have to go to Landers bukas. Kasi ubos na yung mga juice nila. Yakult. Kakabili ko lang nung ano. Sunday ba yun? Sunday? Ay, hindi. Sunday ba ako bumili? Parang Saturday ata or Friday. Mga ganyan. Ubos na agad. It's only Tuesday.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.